Exodus chapter 19, verse 2 to 6. A reading from the book of Exodus. In those days, the Israelites came to the desert of Sinai and pitch camped, while Israel was encamped here in front of the mountain. Moses went up the mountain to God. Then the Lord called to him and said, "Thus shall you say to the house of Jacob, tell the Israelites, you have seen for yourselves how I treated the Egyptians, and how I bore you up on eagle wings, and brought you here to myself. Therefore, if you hearken to my voice and keep my covenant, you shall be my special possession, dearer to me than all other people. Though all the earth is mine, you shall be to me a kingdom of priests, a holy nation." Exodus chapter 19, verse 2 to 6 presents God's covenant invitation to Israel, calling them to become his treasured possession, a kingdom of priests, and a holy nation. The passage forms the theological foundation for Israel's identity and mission. The sermon title is Call to Covenant, God's Purpose for His People. Number 1. God's gracious deliverance in Exodus chapter 19, verse 2 to 4. Israel arrives at Mount Sinai after God has already rescued them from Egypt. Before giving commands, God reminds them of his saving acts. Number 1, I bore you on eagle's wings. I bore you on eagle's wings. A vivid image of God's protective, powerful, and tender deliverance. This metaphor emphasizes number 1, strength. God carried them when they could not carry themselves. Number 2, speed and victory. Like an eagle soaring above danger. Number 3, care. The eagle protects its young at great personal costs. The application is God's commands always rest on His grace. Obedience is a response to salvation, not a condition for it. Number 2, God's covenant invitation in Exodus chapter 19, verse 5. God offers Israel a covenant relationship condition on obedience. Number 1, if you obey my voice and keep my covenant, this is not a threat, but an invitation into deeper fellowship. Number 2, may measured possession. Although the whole earth belongs to God, Israel is uniquely chosen for his redemptive purpose. The explanation is this covenant echoes God's promises to Abraham and anticipates the fuller covenant revealed in Christ. The application is God calls his people to respond to his grace with faithful obedience. Number 3, God's purpose for his people in Exodus chapter 19, verse 6. God defines Israel's identity in three powerful phrases. Number 1, a kingdom of priests. Priests represent God to the people and the people to God. Number 2, Israel's national calling was missional to mediate God's presence to the nations. Number 2, a holy nation. Holy meaning set apart for God's purposes. Number 2, Israel was to reflect God's character in the world. Number 3, these are the words. Number 1, God's identity. Shaping message is central to their mission. Number 2, the application. The church inherits this calling in First Peter chapter 2 verse 9. But you are the chosen race, like kings, priests, the holy nation, God's own people, chosen to proclaim the wonderful acts of God, who called you out of darkness into his own marvelous light. God's people today are also called to represent him in holiness and mission. God's people today are also called to represent him in holiness and mission. Number 4, our response to God's calling. Israel responded all that the Lord has spoken, we will do. In verse 8, their willingness models the posture God desires. Their willingness models the posture God desires. Number 1, obedience rooted in gratitude for deliverance. Obedience rooted in gratitude for deliverance. Number 2, consecration, preparing ourselves to meet with God. Preparing ourselves to meet with God. Number 3, mission, living as God's representatives in the world. Here's the summary. The theme is God's deliverance. The explanation is He rescues before He commands. He rescues before He commands. The guided link is deliverance. The theme is covenant invitation. The explanation is obedience flows from relationship. The guided link is covenant. Identity and mission. The theme is identity and mission. The explanation is treasured possession. Priest, holy nation. The guided link is identity. Our response. The theme is our response. The explanation is obedience, consecration, mission. The guided link is response.